Hi guys, good evening. Good evening soon. Update na ko. Karon mo gawas na ko sa hospital guys. I'm here like 2022 January. Yes. But before that I was in the emergency in Orteli also, and then they sent me here. I take dinner now early because I gonna go home very soon, like about 5 or 6 in the evening. The what do you call that? It's snow outside. They fix my taxi so I can go home with my baby. So I update you guys my sales plates. It's going a bit better. I have 30, what is that called? I don't know, centimeter or per percent, but it's supposed to be 150, but it's okay. I can go home. They give me medicine and then they will control me or like monitor me. Tomorrow the doctor gonna call me. And yes guys, finally I will go home because I am what is that? I miss my kids, my girls, the rest of the kids. Even I have my baby sir. So it's pretty good. I just need to be careful, and then they need me to do the test same time on Monday and Tuesday. It's like two days straight, Monday, Tuesday. I need to leave blood sample so they can check my blood, and then after that next Monday and Tuesday again, I need to leave sample, and then after that the last it's just Monday. But I have medicine guys until March, so yeah, it's not easy, this kind of I don't know what is this side effect or what. They didn't even find out what happened. It's just because of my because before this happened I get infection, so I get antibiotic. Maybe it's from that, the doctor said. They didn't sure, but it's like yeah, I don't know what happened. My immune system, it's going crazy, very strong, killing my body. But I'm praying to God that it's gonna be okay, because we are a mother. I have 6 children, and then of course they are, especially my 2. I have 1 month and 13 days, and then I have 3 years old soon. That is I am worried for. And also my girls, they are not so big. They are 13 and 12, and then I have 1 boy 10, but my eldest is gonna be 18, so he can manage himself, but the rest no. That's why I feel I really need to be good my health, so I can take care of my kids, and later after parental leave I can go work again like that. It's lucky I'm in Sweden because I don't know, in Philippines it's very expensive. Don't even know if I can afford to buy that medicine and go hospital like that. No, I don't even know. But here in Sweden, thanks God, we have you can like we have free here hospital like that. You can just have bills like 400 kroner. After 1 month they gonna send you the bills, not like directly you need to pay. But you have accommodation good, food and medicine and doctor and much personal, nurses like that. They always take care of the patient. Yeah, because we paying tax here, very good. That's why our school and hospitals are free, almost. Because then if you visit, you pay 400 later like that. But you cannot, I don't know in other countries, but here it's like that. Very, very kind and accommodating. And they don't, it's not like other country, that you cannot go hospital without money first like that. Here, they just, if you go hospital, person number like that, and then you come in, they will fix everything. They don't, they're asking what is your feeling, how are you like that. It's not like in other countries that it's like you need to, I don't know, I don't want to tell because then especially in my country, my God, the prioritize to its money. I understand it's money, but you need to save people first. But it's not like that. There, yeah, here. That's why I love this country. Yeah. So guys, I gonna finish it and prepare because I go home soon. I gonna take more video update it, how I am. Yeah, my medicine it's until March. Imagine that. And it's tastes shit. Oh, very good. Not very happy. It's not like Alvidon, no, not taste anything. But this I have now. It's, oh my God. Yeah, so guys, keep safe everyone, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and yeah, always pray to God because we are nothing without Him. This is all about this. He's our creator, so He knows what is good for us and not, I don't know. But I believe in Him. So yeah. Thank you for watching guys, and have a good day.